Can you turn canned seafood into restaurant-worthy meals? Today, I'm making 4 gourmet dishes, all for under $12. Stick around for budget-friendly cooking hacks. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, I'm proving that canned seafood can be delicious by creating 4 incredible meals on a budget. Let's get started. Dish 1. Breakfast. Salmon Frittata. Grab some canned wild salmon, Yukon Gold potatoes, shallots, chives, sour cream, and eggs. First, sauté the potatoes with shallots until they're golden and crispy. Add the drained flaked salmon and whisked eggs. Top it with dollops of sour cream and bake under the broiler until golden brown. It's creamy, savory, and packed with protein. Dish 2. Lunch. Roasted sardine salad. You'll need canned sardines, Roma tomatoes, chickpeas, red onion, garlic, olive oil, and romaine lettuce. Roast the tomatoes, chickpeas, and onions with sardine oil for deep flavor. Toss everything with fresh romaine and a homemade vinaigrette. Top it off with sardine fillets for a bold, umami-packed finish. Smoky, tangy, and incredibly satisfying. Dish 3. Snack. Clams Casino Toast. For this snack, grab some canned chopped clams, garlic, butter, bacon, fresh herbs, parmesan, and a baguette. Mix clams with garlic, melted butter, and crispy bacon. Spread the mixture over sliced baguette, sprinkle with parmesan, and broil until golden. Finish with a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Crunchy, buttery, and bursting with seafood goodness. Dish 4. Dinner. Hearty Tuna Chowder. Ingredients for this chowder include canned tuna, onion, garlic, tomatoes, chickpeas, corn, pasta, and spinach. Sauté the onions and garlic, then add tomatoes and corn. Pour in some water, bring it to a simmer, and add the pasta. Stir in the tuna at the end to keep it flaky and tender, rich, comforting, and loaded with protein. Now you know how to transform canned seafood into incredible meals. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want more budget-friendly meal ideas? Check out the Speedy Chef playlist for creative recipes and money-saving cooking tips.